This is the mac and cheese that breaks every rule. Extra creamy, golden, and baked until bubbly perfection. Every bite is pure comfort, rich, cheesy, and perfect for this weather. So grab your fork because we're making mac and cheese. We're starting by cooking the pasta. In a pot, bring some water to a boil, then add a good pinch of salt and your pasta. Now, traditionally, mac and cheese uses elbow pasta, but I'm using this type today. Both work just fine. Cook the pasta until it's almost tender but still holds its shape, since it will finish cooking later on in the oven. While the pasta is cooking, we're going to move on to make our roux. I will use a Dutch oven for this, and you can also use any deep pot. Add 1 stick of butter, that's about half a cup, and let it melt completely. It's important that our butter is melted completely. You will find all the ingredients listed in the description box. Once it is melted, whisk in about half a cup of flour, while continuously whisking the flour with the butter. We want the flour to fully dissolve. Then slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, and I recommend full-fat milk. I'm adding the milk gradually while whisking. With that, add 1 cup of heavy cream or cooking cream. Keep whisking, we want a smooth, creamy base. Once the sauce thickens a bit, I'm adding my shredded cheese. I've got 2 cups of mozzarella and 2 cups of sharp cheddar. And I'm mixing in about half of my cheese right into the sauce so it melts nicely. You can totally use a mix of other cheeses too. A little Gruyere if you want to get fancy, or some Parmesan for extra flavor, but I like to keep it classic, so mozzarella and cheddar to me is the perfect combo. Now look at that, look how cheesy it looks. And trust me, it tastes so good. I hope you're enjoying this recipe so far. I noticed that many of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you are watching me right now, subscribe to my channel. Now let's give it some spices, and again I like to keep my mac and cheese classic, so I'm not adding much in here. Just a teeny tiny bit of nutmeg, about a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix your spices right in. By now, our pasta should be done cooking, so I'm adding it straight into the sauce. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, give this video a like. Give it a gentle stir so every piece gets coated in that creamy, cheesy goodness. This already smells amazing. Now, I didn't use all my milk earlier, and this is not extra milk, it's just the rest of it, which helps loosen the sauce a bit. Give it a taste test. You might want to add a touch more of salt or black pepper, depending on your preferences. This is the perfect moment to adjust everything before we start assembling our mac and cheese. Let everything cook together for a minute or two until it starts to bubble. And just like that, you are done. This is creamy and cheesy and full of flavor. Now let's move on to assemble our mac and cheese. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 360 degrees. Now in a casserole dish, add about half of your mac and cheese in an even layer. Sprinkle on half of your shredded cheese. This way you will have cheese in the middle and dried on top, and this is just perfect. Then add the rest of your mac and cheese right on top. Finish it off with the rest of your cheese because there is no such thing as too much cheese. If you agree with me, comment down below. And to the oven it goes. Let it cook in the oven for about 45 minutes until it's bubbly and cooked through. Then switch to the broiler for about 5 to 10 minutes until it gets a nice golden color. And there you have it. The creamiest, cheesiest, golden bubbly mac and cheese you will ever make at home. Look at that crust, I can already hear the forks digging in. If you love this recipe and you want more easy delicious meals like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment letting me know how your mac and cheese turned out. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!